Spiritual Testament of Luisa Piccarreta, born on April 23, 1865, and died on March 4, 1947. On March 4, 1947, the day Luisa Piccarreta departed for heaven, she uttered these final words, which were meticulously drafted and signed by Don Benedetto Calvi, the last confessor of the servant of God.
Now I die with greater contentment because the divine will has consoled me more than usual with its presence in these last few moments of my life. Now I see a long, beautiful, and spacious road, illuminated by an infinite number of resplendent suns. Oh yes, I know them. They are the sons of my acts done in the divine will. This is the road that I must now take. It is the road of my victory. It is the way of my glory, which will unite me with the immense happiness of the divine will. It is my road. It is the road that I have prepared for you. It is the road that I will keep reserved for all the souls who will ever want to live in the divine will.
These were her last words addressed to me 1 hour before dying, words that I define as Luisa's spiritual testament and her great and consoling promise. Don Benedetto Calvi, Luisa's last confessor from 1926 until 1947. Luisa has gifted us with a profound and sacred spiritual testament. Through her triumph, she has illuminated the path we are called to follow, a long and radiant road, shining with the infinite suns of our acts done in the divine will. With hearts full of gratitude, love, and reverence, we thank you, Luisa, for the countless blessings and graces you have bestowed upon us. Your spiritual legacy and the sublime doctrine of our Lord Jesus Christ, which you so faithfully recorded in the most precious chapters of the Book of Heaven, remain a divine treasure guiding souls to the fullness of His will. May the kingdom come and the divine will be done on earth as it is in heaven.